Alright guys, today I'm up here at Military Surplus up here in Dao. Gonna do a stroll around here. I know one of the subscribers asked or mentioned the Military Surplus, so I'm up here and I'm gonna show you around here. It's pretty cool from what I've been told. Everybody, military, police, everybody come here to buy their supplies. So yeah, let's check out the Military Surplus. Weapon holsters. Nice little leather shop here. I know people ask prices on these items. Everything is marked or priced accordingly, and then you got to negotiate. So everything's negotiable. Security vest, all kinds of cool stuff here. Straight down the road here is the bus station, Dao. Actually leave and come up this road here and go out. So just so you know where I'm at. So if you ever come into Dao bus station, you got some time to kill, come up here and check this out. It's a lot of stuff here. Even got roasters here.
Hey my friend.
Hello, morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Good. Salamat, thank you. We're going to take a stroll in here, check out some of these shops. Tool items, generators. Morning. We'll find him. Oh, there it is. There he is. Oh, hindi po. Morning.
Morning. Ito lang yung pula.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Oh, gotta get away from here. Good morning.
Pam. Uy, Lance, hindi ko kuha nila.
There you go, there's a price. T-shirts, 100 pesos. Knockoffs, but you know what? Can't tell. Nike knockoffs.
Pinipitiran ako.
More clothes. Tailor shop. You're the tailor, right? You're the seamstress?
Yes, sir.
Another shop area across the street from the market or from the military surplus. A lot of arms and legs here. Mannequins. Yeah. You don't need them, do you?
Huh?
You don't need them, do you?
I need that one.
Oh.
So every time,
Looks like speakers and stereo equipment.
okay.
Music place. Audio hub. Used furniture.
That's a used furniture car.
Yeah, used furniture.
That's cool. People buy it. They put that in
A little bit of everything here. TVs,
the real leather.
electronics. Oh yeah, that's that real German leather.
25,000, 25,000.
Yeah, it's real leather, real German leather.
Yeah.
That's why they're going to keep it out in the rain. I'll do a pan through here. Like I said, right down there is the Dao bus station where they leave out of. And this is the military surplus shopping area. Got another pan so you guys can check it out. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that little walk through there. Gotta head back to our car. We're parked at McDonald's. And the sign says if you leave your car parked there unattended and you're not what do you call it, a patron of McDonald's, and you leave your car parked there unattended for 2 hours, they will have it towed. Now, never seen a tow truck here, but anyways, it's starting to rain too, so. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the little walk around. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Like, share, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments below, and there goes the bus right there. And until next time.